Welcome back, everyone. This week in Technopreneurial Leadership, we're diving into one of the most pivotal steps in any entrepreneurial journey, developing a new venture. Whether you're launching a startup, starting a side hustle, or building a tech-based social enterprise, it all begins with two key elements: spotting opportunities and generating ideas. Let's break today's session into three main parts. 1. Recognizing opportunities and generating ideas. 2. Exploring sources of opportunities and techniques for idea generation. 3. Encouraging and protecting those ideas. Recognizing opportunities and generating ideas. Opportunities are everywhere, but not everyone notices them. Entrepreneurs train themselves to spot patterns, identify problems, and envision better solutions. They don't wait for inspiration to strike. Instead, they observe, research, and connect the dots between what's missing and what could be improved. Take Aerodyne Group, for example. This Malaysian startup identified inefficiencies in infrastructure inspections and replaced manual processes with drones and AI. They recognized a clear opportunity and paired it with the right technology. The key to recognizing opportunities lies in staying curious, open-minded, and focused on solutions. Sources of opportunities. So where do these opportunities come from? Here are 5 main sources to explore. 1. Trends. Look at technological, social, political, or demographic shifts. For instance, an aging population has sparked innovation in health tech, elder care, and online pharmacies. 2. Problems or pain points. Every problem is a potential business. Long waiting times at clinics. That's how telehealth apps emerged. High logistics costs. Enter solutions like Lalamove and the Lorry. 3. Market gaps. Identify underserved or overlooked customer segments. Businesses like halal cosmetics, hijabista fashion, and eco-friendly packaging were born from these gaps. 4. Unexpected events. Crises or sudden changes like COVID-19 often create new needs. Think remote work tools, sanitization services, and online learning platforms. 5. Everyday observations. Pay attention to how people behave. Where do they get frustrated? What workarounds are they using? These moments often spark great ideas. Keep asking yourself, what can be done better? Or what's missing here? Techniques for generating ideas. Once you've identified where to look, how do you actually generate ideas? Here are some tried and true methods. 1. Brainstorming. Let your thoughts flow freely without judgment. Generate as many ideas as possible. Focus on quantity first, quality later. Use prompts like what if or how might we to kick things off. 2. Scamper method. This stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. For example, substituting plastic with biodegradable materials could inspire an eco-packaging startup. 3. Mind mapping. Start with a central concept and branch out into related ideas, needs, or solutions. This visual approach helps expand your thinking. 4. Observation and ethnographic study. Go out into the real world and watch how people behave. What challenges do they face? What shortcuts do they take? 5. Customer feedback and interviews. Talk directly to your target audience. Sometimes the best ideas come not from assumptions but from listening to what people actually want or don't want. 6. Trend analysis tools. Use platforms like Google Trends, CB Insights, or even TikTok to uncover what's trending, growing, or underserved in the market. Don't stop at one idea. Generate multiple, then narrow them down based on feasibility, originality, and market relevance. Encouraging and protecting ideas. Coming up with an idea is just the beginning. You need to nurture it while also ensuring it's protected. Encouraging ideas. Foster a culture of innovation. Whether you're working solo or with a team, create an environment where new ideas are welcomed, not immediately criticized. Prototype and test. Early. Build a minimum viable product, MVP, or a simple mock-up to test your idea in the real world. Don't aim for perfection. Feedback is more valuable at this stage. Join communities and ecosystems. Surround yourself with other entrepreneurs, mentors, and technologists. In Malaysia, platforms like Magic Meranti or Startup Mamak can provide valuable support and validation. Protecting ideas. Once your idea shows potential, securing intellectual property, IP, is essential. Here's how. Copyright. Protects original content like designs, code, or written material. Trademark. Secures your brand name, logo, or slogan. Patent. Covers inventions, processes, or unique technologies. In Malaysia, you can register IP through My IPO. For tech startups, applying early can be a big advantage when seeking investments or entering the market. Also, be cautious about sharing too much too soon. Use non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, when discussing your idea with partners or developers. Final thoughts. To sum up, opportunities are the seeds of entrepreneurship, but you need to train yourself to recognize and act on them. Ideas are the tools to build your business, and generating, refining, and testing them is critical. Protecting your innovation ensures it remains yours and gives you an edge in the market. Next time, we'll explore business models and how to evaluate the feasibility of your ideas. Until then, remember, an idea alone isn't enough. It's the execution that creates impact. Keep your eyes open for the next big opportunity.